Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is continuation for future jobs. The next best job for the next 5 to 10 years was smart home design managers. With the incorporation of smart home technology, we will soon need smart home design manager who will work with architects, engineers as well as clients to design connected homes that offer their inhabitants an seamlessly connected environment using the latest integrated technology. Keeping abreast of latest technology, they will find unique ways of integrating the same in an aesthetical pleasing and eco-friendly manner. The skills which are required for this job was excellent communication skills, keen interest in smart home technologies, the ability to build rapport with high net worth individuals and strong sales skills. And qualification which they preferred for this job was professional training in experience in architecture and ongoing incorporation of latest developments in technology for smart homes. And the next best job was man machine teaming. The new workforce for the future will be defined by man machine collaboration, which would be a new hybrid work. This holds the potential to transform from industries, business, and workplace and jobs. They will have to define the role and responsibilities and set the rules and how machines and humans should coordinate to complete the task. The skills are leadership, communication, collaborations. And the qualification was degree in neuroscience or experimental psychology followed by master degree in HR or computing engineering with some years of experience in human robot interaction or machine learning or robotics. And the next, sustainable building regulator. As per current estimates, we will run out of oil in the next 50 years. Hence, scientists are shifting emphasis to move the sustainable and renewable energy source like solar and wind power, which are becoming more accessible and cheaper. Storing solar power of effectively is still not within each reach, but hopefully by 2050 the hurdles would crossed. The code for sustaining homes as a national standards for the sustainable design and construction of new homes has to lead down with the aim to reduce carbon emissions and promote higher standards of sustainable design over the current minimum standards set of the building regulations. The skills which are required for this job was attention to detail, the ability to build relationship with a range of people such as project managers and contractors, ability to manage client expectations around sustainability issues. And the skills which and the qualification degree in construction, electrical or environmental engineering along with higher certification or masters in sustainable energy and renewable energy. Next, robot counseling. Robot counselor will become necessary as a wealthy go on to own robots to act as caregivers or servants in their homes. Robot counseling will help them to decide on the right model to suit their family needs and priorities when particular robot does not work out of for the family. The robot counseling will have identify better options. The skills which are required for this job was interpersonal and customer service skills, keen understanding of technology that change household routines, deep-seated knowledge of social work, understanding of diverse culture and generational relationships, especially in the context of robots providing living assistance. In the qualification, psychology and counseling education combined with knowledge of robots meant for different households and social needs. And the next, freelance biohacker. Biohacking is biological experimentation using biology with the mindset of hacker. It is a broad concept compassing way to enhance human body health, cognitive performance, improving health and well-being, customized to personal needs. Major drug companies, bioscience companies, as well as universities' research department will be using them to piece together complicated DNA-based answers to several of fundamental questions of diseases emerging in 10 years for remedy for various cancers in different population of to vaccine for the brand new epidemic fluid by our globalized way of life. The skills which are required are sharp scientific inclinings with the ability to work naturally, non-competitively and collaboratively with large vertical teams working an open source of software program platforms connected by internet. And the qualifications are biological science education but not confined to traditional science and medical disciplines. Next job, data waste recycler. This technology job may not exist now, but organizations are ready to looking into hiring data trash engineers owning to astronomical amount of data that is collected worldwide. The next decade will see the emergence of database recyclers or data trash engineers who brief would be a transformed data that may have absolutely no forcible use in treasure. Skills, strong interpersonal and cross organizational collaboration skills, written, verbal, and visual communication skills, and attention. Preferred qualifications are post graduation in statistics, computer science, applied mathematics, and experience with data analysis and data mining tools and statistical packages. Next, garbage designer or waste reclamation upcycling specialist. Using trash or garbage to create a new better quality item is referred to as upcycling. It is the garbage designer in the future would be doing. The skills required creative skills, well developed communication, interpersonal to work successfully across diverse industries with cross disciplinary teams. Qualifications, material science and engineering and familiarity with the manufacturing process. The next, space tourism operator. Space tourism is an exciting development in travel and tourism that many are keenly looking forward to. Beyond using virtual reality software, Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX are companies developing space tourism. Of course, when it is actually take off, only the super wealthy will be able to afford it as first. Skills are strong interpersonal and logistic skills, entrepreneur and marketing skills, organizing ability, healthy and fit. Qualification was knowledge of location in solar system is important, but there are no formal requirement as of now. However, someone will training in astronomy or space science or related fields would be a good fit. And the next, entomicrobiotic cleaners. While cleaning up the thousands of oil spills of crude oil or refined petroleum products, scientists have discovered that certain insects and bacteria allowed to consume petrochemicals. Wax worms are now able to eat their way through polythene, which is used to make plastic bags and water bottles. Skills require strong internet and knowledge of biology of insects and bacteria and the way to keep them healthy. And qualification, entomology, microbiotechnology, and aligned fields combined with knowledge, use of analytical algorithms. Next, data farmers. Data farming involved growing data from computer models which can then be analyzed using statistical and visualization techniques. We know that the farmers cultivate the land and try to get the best yield to manufacturing the environment using crop rotation, pesticides, fertilizers. In the same way, data farmers manipulate simulation modes to their advantage. They are bulk data analysts who use algorithm to their advantage so as to exact meaning for exploitation from stochastic data comparisons. What they are able to learn from it can help business, the community, and government predict trends for developing new products and services. Skills required for this job: strong problem solving and analytical skills, creating and cognitive flexible combined with excellent programming and algorithm design skills. Qualification: computer science, engineering, and mathematical and aligned disciplines. Next, existing species revivalist. In this job, exist species revivalist will try to synthesize a complete strand of DNA as the exist animal's genome. They could play a critical role in recreating species which have already become exist in reintegrating them into their natural habitat. Skills: strong verbal and written communication skills, critical thinking, problem solving, analytical thinking, proficiency with computer, especially scientific database, teamwork skills, as also the ability to work independently and do research. And qualification: evolutionary biology, wildlife ecology, life science, genetics, and aligned fields. Next, fusionist. Fusionists will be the job of the future where they are act as a bridge between art, engineering, research, science, and other disciplines. Skills required: strong communication with excellent listening, written, and oral communications. And the qualification was design training with experience of working in multidisciplinary teams and keeping abreast of latest technology and research. And the next, AI personality designer. AI personality design will create experimental interactions between humans and machines. They may be working within or alongside companies specialists in technology. Skills were copywriting or journalism skills, fascination with the world around us, interested in human psychology, good in communicating with different personal types, and keen interest in coding, science, and emerging technologies. Qualification: computer science, cognitive science theory, and robotics. And the last, AI educator. The future in which there will be a household robotics and digital assistants in the workplace, people will have to learn how to work with them. AI educator will teach people how machines learn and adapt so that they can use the robots or digital assistants effectively. Skills which are required: excellent interpersonal skills, digital literate with the teaching skills and strategies for working with different kinds of clients, and qualification: engineering degree with basic knowledge of machine learning. And the last, I must say that there have been an existing journey for me exploring research and writing about this amazing opportunity awaiting today high school and college students. It may seem like stepping into the unknown for you since many of these job openings do not have structured path for training. So this is the video. We can easily understand the future jobs for the next 5 to 10 years. This article was given in the Manorama book in 2022, written by the Jayanti Ghosh. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.